Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a feature-packed 10-inch Android car stereo, the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants a modern floating screen, powerful hardware, and wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. Let's go through the features, the pros and cons, and help you decide if it's worth installing in your ride. 10-inch floating touchscreen display. Bright, responsive, and designed to fit both double DIN and single DIN setups. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected to maps, calls, messages, and music, completely hands-free. 4G LTE and Wi-Fi support. Stream music, use online navigation, or browse apps right from the unit. Dual Bluetooth and AI chat assistant. Connect multiple devices at once and even get voice help with the built-in AI assistant. Backup camera and LRV support. Comes with a backup camera and supports live rear view for safer driving. Big, modern floating display, instantly makes any dash look high-tech. All-in-one connectivity, between 4G, Wi-Fi, CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth, you're always connected. AI chat and dual BT, nice extras that add convenience beyond the usual stereo features. Installation may require adjustments, especially in tighter single-DIN setups. Getting the floating screen positioned right takes work. Limited storage, with 32 GB built in, it's fine for apps, but not ideal if you plan to store a ton of media locally. At the end of the day, this 10-inch Android car stereo is a great upgrade if you want a floating screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and extra features like AI chat and LTE connectivity. It's sleek, smart, and makes your car feel brand new. If you're ready to level up your dashboard, I'll drop the Amazon link below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more car tech reviews, and let me know in the comments.